I have just received my results. It's super exciting. I have looked at them briefly, but I will look again. First, I have the summary. A bit low on vitamin E, zinc, and always omega-3. Vitamin B12 is a bit low. I think I want to increase that for energy. Vitamin A, this is new for me. I need to do something about that. Vitamin D is good. Soon coming into the winter time, I will need to boost that. Vitamin E is low, which is not very good. Copper is quite elevated. Ferritin is good. Magnesium, I think I can be a bit higher. This is good for me. Selenium, I finally come down a bit, which is nice. I'm typically always too high. You can see that if compared to like the median values, I'm a lot higher than everyone else. I'm low on zinc. The good thing is that we have a solution to this. It's more or less everything that I need to know at this point. And like many others, I am too low on omega-3. I definitely need to boost those levels. Okay, cortisol is good, testosterone is good. Now it's time for me to generate my recommendations. I want to optimize health. I mean, what if I can get additional 5% energy? I mean, it's not a lot, but it may make the difference. Okay, so let's see here. It tells me that it's actually quite good. It tells me omega-3, vitamin E, and zinc. Yeah, we knew this from the results. Low support vitamin A. Okay, I like this formula a lot. Now I will go to the next steps. I like the magnesium, so you can also check here. Safe range 300. I will actually increase this. I'm quite happy with that. Looks good. Okay, so now I have ordered my formula. It will be delivered as a daily pouch. I'm really looking forward to see if my values can increase to the levels that I want. I have 3 deficiencies I want to sort, and I want to optimize a few values. So stay tuned.